Let's understand the relationship between total cost, total fixed cost, and total variable cost. Students, as you can see, the red line, which is parallel to the x axis, indicates the total fixed cost curve. Since we are talking about fixed cost, therefore, the fixed cost never changes with change in the output. However, units you produce, the total fixed cost is not going to change with change in the units. Therefore, TFC curve is shown as a straight line parallel to the x-axis. Talking about the TVC curve, which is shown in a blue line. Students, total variable cost is that cost that keeps on increasing or changing with change in output. Since it is a variable cost, it varies with the level of output. Therefore, it starts with the origin, and as the output increases, it keeps on increasing. You can see that this TVC curve is of inverse S shape, meaning that TVC curve first increases at a diminishing rate, then it starts increasing at an increasing rate. So we say that TVC curve starts from the origin. That means TVC is 0 when the level of output is 0. However, students, TFC curve can never be starting from origin because fixed cost cannot never be 0. We know that total cost is the sum total of total fixed variable cost and total fixed cost. So, the total cost curve is drawn parallelly to the total variable cost curve. The green curve is parallel to the blue curve, which means total cost curve is parallel to the total variable cost curve. And the distance between total cost and total variable cost is equal to the total fixed cost. Students, we know that total cost is the sum total of TVC and TFC. So, if I try to find out the difference between total cost and total variable cost, which is this gap, I will arrive at total fixed cost, which is actually this gap. Therefore, we say that total fixed cost remains parallel to the x-axis as it remains constant with the change in output. Total variable cost starts from the origin and takes an inverse S shape. Total cost curve does not start from the origin because total cost includes total fixed cost as well. So it starts from the point where TFC starts. At this point, students, where the total cost curve starts, at this point, total variable cost is 0 because the level of output is 0. However, since we have total fixed cost, therefore your total cost and total fixed cost are equal. Total cost curve then keeps on increasing first at a diminishing rate till here and then at an increasing rate it keeps on increasing. Remember students, the gap between the total cost curve and the total variable cost curve is equal to total fixed cost.